we're going to do a room tour on the Aqua. It's an inside room, 10813. As we said, it's just an inside room. We're going to walk through. Got a nice, wonderful desk here. Here's all your plug situations. It's got one of everything. Nightstand. Looks like it's got the USB and the USB-C. Wonder if the other side's got it. Yep, other side's got the same thing. TV. European plug. Two big old drawers right there. Our cooler. Not bad, not bad. Here's our closet. Here's the other side, including the safe. Safe's big enough. It looks like you can put a computer in there. Mustard information. Another closet to hang all your clothes. You have to put a key card in. Turn that bad boy down. It is touchscreen. Ow. Go in the bathroom. Very fancy. Three shelves there. Got two towel racks. The fancy shower. I think this is going to work for 5 days. Okay, and if you're like us, we have 3 people in our room, so we're going to have a bed come from the ceiling either on this side or this side. So even though we have the beds currently like this, we may split them if they will do it for us. You have the option. But that is the inside room, 10813 or Norwegian Aqua. Yeah. So here's how the beds work if you have a third or a fourth person. We have the third person. I mean, it's kind of inconvenient. But I would say if you're going to do this, you probably need to get the bed on this side so the ladder could be more in the walkway here instead of like this.
Because the ladder's not in the right place.
Right, because if you put the ladder right there where the hooks are, it's on top of the dresser right there. And so we're having to kind of do like this. Yeah. But that's how they do it. Kind of inconvenience, but hey, whatever works.